DNA is the blueprint of life. Nestled deep within the nucleus of our cells, and tightly wound into chromosomes, DNA carries the code to make us who we are. DNA is a double-stranded molecule made up of two polynucleotides held together by hydrogen bonds between the base pairs. The structure of the molecule is described as a double helix. DNA is incredibly efficient. Just 1 gram of DNA can store almost 700 terabytes of data. That's equivalent to around 14,050 gigabyte Blu-ray discs. Every person's DNA is unique, making you one of a kind. Yet, humans share over 99.9% of their DNA with each other. The building blocks of DNA are nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate and a nitrogenous base. The nucleotides are joined together by phosphodiester bonds that form the sugar-phosphate backbone of the DNA molecule. The second strand runs antiparallel. This means if one strand is oriented from 5' to the 3', the other runs from 3' to 5'. Essentially, the second strand runs upside down to the first. This orientation is key for processes like replication and transcription. The strands are held together by hydrogen bonds between complementary base pairs. There are 4 types of nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine with guanine, forming the rungs of the DNA ladder. The genetic code is the sequence of bases along the coding strand. A base triplet is a sequence of 3 bases, and each base triplet codes for 1 amino acid. The genetic code is read and the amino acids are joined together in a process called translation to form a polypeptide chain. The polypeptide goes on to form a protein, and the protein is responsible for controlling our characteristics. A section of DNA that codes for a particular polypeptide is called a gene. So a gene controls our characteristics by coding for a protein. The human genome contains over 3 billion base pairs. Decoding it was one of science's greatest achievements, completed in 2003 after more than a decade of work. Scientists estimate that humans have approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes in the human genome.